FOXO stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. We're seeing some correction a little bit towards the end, but that ultimately all puts us above 153% up. Post market's a little bit of a rush, but look, I've done 40,000 videos, so I'm going to show you my exact approach with FOXO. Not financial advice by any means, but when I see pumps like this, and in particular this exact environment, I know that dumps are what's going to kind of happen next. I'm not even trying to be like arrogant or preaky or clean or whatever, you know, like cocky. No, it's just the truth. Like, look at this. What's the path? Like, what's the history of the pumps that we've got? Right? It just kind of kept crashing. Like, I don't think that's gonna, like, nothing's about to change. I mean, unless I see a full candle close with a full candle above $3, then yeah, sure, but not necessarily currently. And you can see post market is already 105. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.